Good morning. Good morning, students. In today's class, we are going to learn about parallelogram law of vector. What it give? What it will give you? It will give you the information that how to get resultant of two given vectors when they are subtend an angle theta with each other. So the statement is like this: two vectors acting at same point, two vectors P and Q are acting at a same point, then the resultant of these two also will start, and it is like this. This is the resultant. So how to give definition for this? When two vectors are acting along the adjacent sides of the parallelogram, then resultant of those two vectors is also acting at same point, and it is r. Okay. Now, what is the angle between P and Q? P and Q is theta. Angle between P and Q is theta. Then the shape of the parallelogram. Just draw a similar vector parallel to this, like this. Look, are they parallel or not? Again, the angle between P and Q is theta only. Is theta. Just draw this one parallel to this one. And P, and this is also P. This is Q, this is Q. And here the vertical side. Up to here it is a parallelogram. Our construction will be like this. This is our construction, additional construction. So that we can get a right angle triangle. So I'll give you the names. I'll give the names for this: O, A, B, C, D. O, A, B, C, D. Now observe ABC. Observe triangle ABC. From this, what we are going to calculate? The given vectors are, when given vectors are acting along the adjacent sides of the parallelogram, then the resultant will be the diagonal of this parallelogram. Okay. Look, in triangle ABC, what is angle B? Angle B is equals to 90 degrees. So is it a right angle triangle or not? Yes, this is a right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle, from our previous knowledge, what is cos theta? What is cos theta? Cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is adjacent side? AB. AB by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is Q. Implies what will you get? AB is equal to Q cos theta. In our yesterday class only we discussed AB is equal to Q cos theta. Got it? Now you write one thing here. Instead of writing AB, AB up to here it is P. Up to here O to A it is P. AB is equal to Q cos theta. Q cos theta. Now come on to the next one. Sin theta from this triangle. From this triangle ABC, sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. What is opposite side? BC is opposite side by hypotenuse. Implies BC. This is opposite side. This is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is nothing but Q. Implies BC is equals to Q sin theta. So this is how we got the sides of the triangle. How to write here? BC is equal to Q sin theta. Now observe here. You got O, A, C, D is a parallelogram, and A, B, C is a right angle triangle. Now all the sides, name of this side is Q, name of this side is P, name of this side is Q cos theta, name of this side is Q sin theta, name of this side is equal to P, and this is a R. What is the resultant? What is the resultant? Make what is the resultant made angle? Look here. The angle made by the resultant is alpha. The angle made by the resultant is alpha with the first vector. This is alpha. If you know this concept, then only you can proceed the remaining problems. Okay. Now I will explain once again about the diagram. Here P and Q are given vectors and R is a resultant vector. What we are going to find out. Now the angle between P and Q is theta. The angle between resultant and P is alpha. Now this Q, this is Q, and this is exactly opposite side, which is also equal in magnitude and equal in direction. That is also Q. A to C is a Q. And from this right angle triangle, from the trigonometric applications, we got AB is equal to Q cos theta and BC is equal to Q sin theta. AB is equal to Q cos theta and BC is equal to Q sin theta. What is the value of angle B? That is equal to 90 degrees. When we are getting a right angle triangle, then only we will go through the trigonometry, or else we can't. Okay. Now, note it down, everyone. Now, from from right angle triangle, OBC, OBC, hypotenuse square. This is called hypotenuse. Now, from this, is it right angle triangle or not? OBC. Since angle B is equal to 90 degrees, we can say OBC is also a right angle triangle. Is also a right angle triangle. From the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square, that is R square is equal to side square plus side square. Side square is OB square plus BC square. From the Pythagoras theorem, side square is equal to hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Now R square we are going to find out. First of all, we will write R square OB. Look, OB O to B is equal to OA plus AB. OB is equal to OA plus AB. Okay, that's what I will write here. OB is equal to OA plus AB, right? Whole square plus BC square. That is equal to, what is OA? The value of OA in terms of given vector is P. Value of AB in terms of given vector is Q cos theta. So OA plus AB can be written as P plus Q cos theta. P plus Q cos theta. Q cos theta whole square plus BC. What is the value of BC? It is a Q sin theta. Q sin theta whole square. Okay, now we will proceed with the A plus B whole square formula here. A square plus B square plus 2AB. A square plus B square plus 2AB. You are getting this? A square means P square plus B square Q cos theta whole square plus 2AB. 2 into A P B Q cos theta plus Q sin theta whole square. Q sin theta whole square. This is what we are getting. Next. P square plus square will be distributed for Q and cos theta. Q square cos theta square. Cos square theta. This cos theta whole square can be written as cos square theta. And 2pq cos theta. 2pq cos theta plus q sin theta whole square. Q square sin square theta. Right? Q square sin square theta. Now I will write similar terms very near to this. Q square cos square theta plus q square sin square theta plus 2pq cos theta plus 2pq cos theta. Observe this. R square is equal to p square q square cos square theta q square sin square theta. So you can take q square as a common. Q square cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2pq cos theta. 2pq cos theta. I think you all know this, but few persons don't know. Please, I'll tell. That is called a trigonometric identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, or cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So this whole thing will become 1. Then r square is equal to p square plus q square only you will get into 1. No, that's why you will get q square into 1. Always q square plus 2pq cos theta. So note it down. This is very useful formula in your next level of IIT foundation. So by using this only, we are going to solve lots of problems, hundreds of problems in physics. That's why you need to know everything about this. R square is equal to p square plus q square. What is the value of sin square theta plus cos square theta? This one, sin square theta plus cos square theta, or cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. So 1 I will write plus 2pq cos theta. So r square is equal to p square plus q square plus 2pq cos theta. R is equal to root over p square plus q square plus 2pq cos theta. Right? So this is the resultant of two forces or two vectors acting at certain angle. What is the angle between two forces? That is equal to theta. This is your resultant. Okay? Come on, note it down. So in tomorrow's class, we are going to find the direction. That is alpha value and some values of trigonometry. And I will write here. Can I write? Tomorrow I will discuss this. Sin 0, 0. That is equal to cos 90. These things I need. That's why I am writing here. Few only I will write. Sin 0, 0. Cos 90 is also equal to 0. Sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. That is equal to cos 60. Sin 45 is equal to 1 by root 2, that is equal to cos 45. Can I write here? Sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2, that is equal to cos 30. Sin 90 is equal to 1, that is equal to cos 0. Just these values tomorrow I will do this. Just to go through these ones, your mathematics teachers will discuss how you are getting those values. Okay? Note it down. We are going to do some problems on that values. Based on that values and this formula and a directional formula, you will get this. Okay? Thank you.